with foam sheets. So the things we need for this project is some foam sheets, a single hole puncher, some sticky Velcro, decorations, and string. So the first step is to fold one of your foam sheets like this. Next, you can ask your parents to mark some spots with the hole punch on the other sides and then hole punch it. So this is how it looks after my mom helped me punch the holes. Next I am going to fold it over again. Next you have to thread your string on the hole punches, and then tie a knot. Repeat for all the others. Repeat for all the others. To cut up the extra string. Repeat the process with the other side. This is how it looks so far. Next, it's time to decorate. We are gonna stick the Velcro piece on the flap. This is how my purse looks. I hope you all like this video. Bye-bye.